U.S. Ambassador Donald Blome visited the Mazar of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah on Thursday, 11th of August 2022 and laid a floral wreath at the mausoleum. Paid his respects to the founder of Pakistan ahead of Pakistan's 75th Independence Day. His Excellency signed the guestbook on behalf of the U.S. Embassy, Islamabad. Ambassador Blome noted, "It's a great honor to be here at the Mazar-e-Quaid to pay my respects and commemorate the legacy of Muhammad Ali Jinnah. The United States shares Quaid-e-Azam's vision of a Pakistan at peace with itself and its neighbors. A Pakistan of religious tolerance, economic prosperity, and social inclusion. On behalf of the American people, I offer Pakistan warm congratulations on its 75th Independence Day." His Excellency Blome toured the adjoining museum and admired the artifacts related to the life of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah.